Hello, welcome to an amazing economics class. In today's class, we will be looking at factors of production. So, have you ever wondered what it takes to produce a loaf of bread, a smartphone, or even a school desk? Every good or service is produced using four important resources called factors of production. Let's discover them. Let's look at meaning of factor of production. Factors of production are the resources used to produce goods and services. So in simple explanation, factors of production are the resources needed to produce goods and services. Having done with the meaning, let us know the factors of production, and we have four. So we are going to look at these four factors of production. Number one is land. Land includes all natural resources used in production. Example, we have land, water, forest, minerals, crude oil, and sunlight. And the reward for land is rent. Why is it rent? It's because people must pay to use land, which is a valuable natural resource needed for production. Let's take a look at a picture that shows everything we've heard about land. The first is land, that's in between all of them. The second is sunlight. The third is water. The fourth is forest. The fifth is minerals. And the last is crude oil. Now let's look at labor as one of the four factors of production. So labor is the human effort used to produce goods and services. Examples: teachers, farmers, doctors, engineers, and factory workers. And their reward is wages or salary. Let's look at this lovely picture that explains what a teacher looks like, or what teachers look like, and their work, what they do. The second is farmers, how they look like and their work, the nature of their work. The third one is doctors and their work. The next is engineers. You can see the two engineers and what they are actually doing. Their job is construction. You can see their illustration and the construction at the background. You can see factory workers. You can see what they are doing in the factory, the way they are dressed. So all these are their functions. And at the end of it all, they get salary or wages. And that is the reward for their labor, the reward for their services, and the reward for their labor. An entrepreneur must have capital first before considering any of those professionals. So what is capital? Capital refers to man-made tools and equipment used to produce goods. Example: machines, computers, tractors, buildings, and vehicles. And their reward is interest. And we have a picture that clearly explains machines. You can see machines, tractors, you can see buildings, you can see computers, and you can see vehicles. These are man-made tools. The last, which is number 4, is entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is the person who combines all the factors of production, takes risk, and starts a business. Examples: a bakery owner, fashion designer, or shop owner, and their reward is profit. So we have a picture that clearly shows a fashion designer, a bakery owner, and a shop owner. So we can see all these things here and for better understanding. So why are factors of production important? Factors of production are important not because goods cannot be produced, not because services cannot be provided, but because they work together to satisfy human wants and improve the economy. Land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur work together to produce the goods and services we use every day. Can you identify the 4 factors of production used to produce your school bag or your smartphone? Write your answer in the comment section. Thank you and see you in my next upload. Bye.